Lungs MCQ. Where are the lungs located? Inferior to the trachea, mediastinum of thoracic cavity, anterior to the esophagus, abdominal region. Right answer is mediastinum of thoracic cavity. In the young phase, these lungs are brown or gray in color, but later slowly lungs become in color due to carbon particles. White, mottled black, bluish green, reddish brown. Mottled black. Okay. What is the medical term for difficulty in breathing? Asthma, pneumonia, dyspnea या bronchitis? Dyspnea. Dyspnea is difficulty in breathing. No. Which part of the brain control the rate and depth of breathing? Medulla oblongata, hypothalamus, cerebellum या thalamus? Medulla oblongata. Rate and depth of breathing control. Okay. Which of the following structure is responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the heart? Trachea, bronchi, alveoli, pulmonary vein. Right answer is pulmonary veins. What is the condition where a blood clot blocks the blood vessel in the lungs? Pneumonia, tuberculosis, pulmonary fibrosis, pulmonary embolism. Pulmonary embolism. Blood clot block. Which of the following structure in the lungs is responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide with the bloodstream? Bronchi, alveoli, trachea, diaphragm. Right answer is alveoli. What is the term for the small air sac in the lungs where gas exchange occurs? Alveoli, bronchioles, trachea, larynx. Alveoli. Right answer is alveoli. How many lobes are present in the right lungs of a human? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right answer is 3. What is the term for the volume of air that is moved in or out the lungs during a normal breath? Inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, residual volume, tidal volume. Right answer is tidal volume. What is the term for the total volume of air that can be exhaled forcefully after maximum inhalation? Inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, vital capacity. Right answer is vital capacity. What is the term for the volume of air that remain in the lungs after maximum exhalation? Inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, residual volume, tidal volume. Right answer is residual volume. What is the process by which oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged in the lungs? Inhalation, exhalation, diffusion, perfusion. Right answer is diffusion. What is the function of cilia in the respiratory system? Producing mucus, filtering air, facilitating gas exchange या expanding the lungs. Filtering air को filter करती है. Okay. Which of the following is a condition where the lungs tissue become stiff and less elastic, making a difficulty to fully expand during inhalation? Expand. Pneumonia, tuberculosis, pulmonary fibrosis, pulmonary embolism. Right answer is pulmonary fibrosis. Which muscles is responsible for helping with breathing by expanding and contracting the chest cavity? Diaphragm, quadriceps, या biceps या hamstrings? तो diaphragm. Which of the following is the most common cause of lung cancer? Smoking, bacterial infection, genetic mutation या known? Smoking. What is the condition where the bronchial tubes become inflamed and narrowed, leading to increased production of mucus and coughing? Asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, pneumonia. Bronchitis. Right answer is bronchitis. What is the condition where the air sac in the lungs lost their elasticity and become enlarged, leading to difficulty in exhaling fully? Asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, pneumonia. Emphysema. Right answer is emphysema. What is the term of the thin, moist membrane that cover the surface of lungs and line the inside of the chest cavity? Pleura, alveoli, bronchi या diaphragm क्या बोलते हैं उसको?